Hello, all my viewers. How are you? I hope you are very good. I'm going to say you today about Labrador dogs. The Labrador, often abbreviated to Labrador Lab, is a medium-large bone dog from the United Kingdom that was developed from imported Canadian fishing dogs. The Labrador is one of the most popular dog breeds in a number of countries in the world, particularly in the Western world. Labrador are not a danger dogs. They are gentle, good natured dogs that make excellent family pets. They are kind to children and stronger as well as happy, loyal, and they love spending time with their human family. They are among the most popular choices for service dog work as well as search and rescue, bomb and drop detection and therapy dog work. Labs love the water. In fact, they were made for it. Their thick tail, sometimes called otter tail, is used as a powerful rudder. Their webbed feet help them swim fast, and their thick, waterproof coats keep them happy even in cold water. They are purpose breed hunting dogs, among the dog's world's most versatile workers. Labs can do almost anything. Labrador come in three can formation: color yellow, black, and chocolate. Thank you for watching my videos. Please watch my full videos and please subscribe my channel and like and press the bell icon, and please comment my channel. Thank you.